Hello viewers, in today's video we will talk about how you can add a login pop-up feature to your store if you want to. If you look at the current settings right now, this is our store. We haven't added the login feature to the header yet, so anyone who visits our store cannot log in. They cannot create their own account. So if you want anyone who visits your store to be able to create an account and log into your store using the login feature, here's how you can do it. So how can we make all this possible? First, let's see how we can basically create the login feature. I would like to tell you that by default, we have a widget available called logging for logging in. We simply need to place that widget anywhere on the page and it will start working. For now, we want to add the login pop-up, the login feature to our header. Usually you must have noticed that the login option is in the header so that any client or user who visits can log in easily. So we will edit our header with Elementor. As I mentioned earlier, we already have a pre-built login widget. So when you come into Elementor and type login in the sidebar, you will see a login widget from Value Pack add-ons. Let's suppose you want to place it in the header. We've added it to the header. Now we want the login feature to be added to the same container where our existing cart button is. So the login feature should also be added to this same container. So we'll simply click on that container, come back, type login again, and as soon as you click on this element, it will be added to this container. It will start becoming visible to you and you can adjust its placement as you wish. So if you go into the styles, you'll see that it has multiple styles, style 1, style 2, style 3. I will show you each style one by selecting them. If you want to change the size of the icon, you can do that as well. In its further settings, if you want to change the icon's color, you can change the color too. Apart from that, if you want to show textlets, suppose you want login to appear with this button, the text will also be displayed. In the same way, there are multiple settings for this. You are free to adjust any setting however you like. Elementor gives you that freedom. You can change anything you want. Now let's save our settings. We will now go back to our main home page and then proceed to fully reload the entire page so that all of our settings are completely and accurately reflected. If you look now, the login button is not visible to you. Why is that? Because you are already logged in. If you open your store in another browser, let's open it in incognito mode right now. You'll see that the login feature will be visible when you visit without logging in. You can see that at this moment we are not logged in and the login feature is visible to us. If we click on it, you can see that our login pop-up appears. So now we'll talk about different styles. If we go to Elementor, right now style 1 is selected. Let's select style 2. Let's see how style 2 appears. We'll go back to the incognito mode browser so we can see how our style 2 works. We'll click on login again. Now the standard traditional pop-up will become visible to you. In the same way, let's select style 3 as well. We'll go back to our incognito mode again. We'll refresh the page again to reflect the settings. If we click on login again, this third style appears differently and is shown in the sidebar. So basically, these are 3 different login styles. Now the option we have here for create account is for those users who are not already logged in, who don't have credentials yet and are completely new and want to create their account. They can simply click on create account and a form will appear for them. But right now, as you can see, the form hasn't appeared. Why user registration is disabled in this country? Why is this showing up? This is showing up because if you go to the admin dashboard, go to settings and then to general, So you have the option membership, anyone can register. This is not enabled. If this is not enabled, it means that no user can come and register themselves because we have disabled the registration option. If we go back to our page and refresh it, if we click on this, you will see that the create account form will also start to become visible because we have enabled the setting that allows any user to come and register. That's why the form is now visible. I hope you have understood how to add the login feature to your page, then how to apply the different display styles for the login page, and after that how to enable the create login feature. So basically we discussed three main things in this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.